Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we have a little bit of a turnaround in markets today. We've got the dollar maybe unchanged to a little bit higher, crude a little bit lower. We've got beans have been trading all over the map last night. Corn and wheat's a little bit lower. So the turnaround Tuesday may be in part here. We had a big rally yesterday in the grains led by the beans funds. Net buyers over 13,000 contracts of beans started in Asia with higher markets there. And we did see in the January open interest, it was up 26,000 contracts yesterday, which is kind of strange for that nearby contract to be up that much. Open interest in the entire bean contracts were up 31,000. So some people are blaming that on fund buying, maybe front loading some of the seasonals that beans and corn tend to rally around the Thanksgiving Day holiday. We also saw a possibility of increased farmer selling, and when we got up to those higher levels. Overnight, the Jan beans did test 1030 before backing off from that price level, and these corn's up the psychological area around 350. 97% of the U.S. corn crop is harvested. USDA rated the winter wheat crop 58% good to excellent versus 53 last year. And we still see a mostly dry pattern for the southern plains, which could eventually cause some concern. And there's talk that U.S. farmers may have planted less wheat acres than what some people think. Maybe it's down as much as 10%. Don't know if that's bullish enough yet, unless the weather is less than ideal. In Brazil, we've seen mostly good weather. Their soybean crop is 36% planted versus 53 last year. And most people are still looking for a bounce back in the crop from a year ago. A little bit of concern about some drier pattern in southern Brazil. We're also noting that in Argentina, they've got maybe 24% of the crop planted versus 33 average. They've been behind because of too much rain. And now they're getting into a drier pattern, which is good. But some people think that pattern could continue to the summer, which from a production standpoint is bad. So again, the fundamentalists are scratching their head as why beans continue to rally. Maybe because of speculative buying out of China, maybe because of the front-loaded demand that's going on versus the big numbers as far as supply is concerned. Corn and wheat, reluctant followers and still mostly in a trading range. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.